Hello. For this video, I thought about taking apart this jersey card just because it's pretty much banged up. Edges are pretty rough. There's a few stains, little scratches along here. So I thought it might be a good card just to see what's really holding this down, if it's glued down or whatnot. So let's give it a go. I thought about using this card just because it's also basic cardboard card. So I thought about trying feeling around the material. Okay, here we go. We got something. We got it going. Okay. So it looks like it just. Oh, there's still a little bit of layer to it. Never mind. I thought it was just glued on, but oh, there's more underneath. Okay. There we go. We got it going. Looks like it's just a little glued on there. That's all it is. Little tiny piece of, looks like shirt. Yeah, just glued on. Well, now we know what's underneath. Alright, thanks for watching.